Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kay and today's video is another unboxing. This one is Glossybox. So if you don't know what Glossybox is, I'm just going to give you a brief description here, but if you want to know more, I'll leave all the details in the description box down below for you to check out at your leisure. But very quickly, Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription service. It usually contains 5 products a month, although sometimes they have sort of thrown in a little extra here or there. But generally speaking, what you're paying for is the 5 items a month. These tend to be a mix of skincare, hair care, makeup, so you get a good mix of everything really. It costs £10 a month plus £3.95 postage and packaging, but the cost of the box can come down depending on the length of your subscription. So for instance, I've taken out a 12-month subscription and my boxes cost me £8.50 a month plus the £3.95 postage and packaging. So that being said, let's get into the box. So we've got it all tied up with a little ribbon and we've got a little booklet inside. And this is going to tell us what we need to know about the items. It's going to tell us the price. It's going to tell us a little bit about the item itself. And we'll be referring to this as we go through the box. And on the back, you normally get a sneak peek for the following month's box. So the sneak peek for December, it says, we're ending 2019 with a bang. Filled with 5 full-size radiance boosting products, our special design December box will keep you glowing from head to toe this festive season. You'll receive a range of nourishing skincare and shimmery makeup, including a multi-purpose loose pigment powder for your eyes and cheekbones. We'll make you the belle of the ball this Christmas. So that sounds amazing. So the box usually contains deluxe minis or full-size products. Never really contains any what you call like standard sample sizes. They're all usually quite decent sized minis. But next month it's saying that we're going to get 5 full-size products, so that's really good. So I'm just going to read you the little bit about the edit itself. So it says, hey Glossies, slip on your snuggiest jumpers and fluffiest socks because we're getting in the mood for roaring fire, spiced lattes, sizzling sparklers and cosy nights in. Our winter warmers edit is filled with enriching lotions, nourishing hair care, shimmery cosmetics and an extra treat that will seriously warm things up this November. So we're getting an extra treat again this month, so that's really nice. We've also partnered with Remington this month to introduce you all to their brand new Curl and Straight Confidence hairdryer. If you find a golden ticket inside your box, you'll be the lucky winner of this newly launched hairstyling tool. Good luck! So there might be a golden ticket inside this box too. I doubt it, but you never know. So let's open it up and see what we've actually got. So here we've got, so we're just going to open the ribbon and pop this open. Whoop! Something's falling out at me already. So, it's attacking me. It's actually attacking me. Okay, so, woo! So this is what it looks like. I'm going to try not to tip everything out again. So, yeah. Not looking hopeful for that golden ticket, as predicted. So, ooh, we seem to have, So we seem to have 2 Offblak, I think they're teas. Yep, so we've got 2 Offblak teas in here. One is spicy orange and ginger, and one is forest fruits and ginger. This is a brand that I've seen popping up quite a lot recently on social media. So I think they're trying to promote themselves, and to be fair, subscription boxes is a pretty good way to do that. I love tea. I drink tea all the time. I drink normal black tea. I drink fruit teas, herb teas. So these will definitely get used, and I quite like the sounds of the flavours as well, so that's nice. I'm guessing these might be the little extras, but we'll just have a look and see. Yeah, so these are the extra treats apparently. So they don't add any value to the box. They're not sold individually, but if they were, they'd be worth 84p. If you wanted to buy the full size, it would be £9.98 to buy, I'm guessing, a box of them. It says, nothing beats a warming hot drink on a cold November night. That's why we're treating you to 2 delicious fruit teas. Spicy orange and ginger black tea plus a forest fruits and ginger blend. Simply infuse your tea bag into boiling water for at least 3 minutes, then slip under a cosy blanket and savour this heart-warming cuppa. That sounds nice. That sounds like a very good plan to me, and we'll probably get done. So yeah, so that's nice. Next, we've got a mud masky product, and it is the Leave Me On Winter Mask. Okay, so I've got a mud masky product. It's a serum that you put on after you've done a face mask. So if you do a particularly sort of detoxifying face mask, the product that I've got can just help sort of restore some of the moisture that you may have lost during that. So this is full size. It's worth £43.50. And it says, with autumn drawing to a close, it's time to trade in your lightweight hydrator for this rich moisturising mask. It not only creates an invisible shield on the surface of your complexion, protecting it from blustery weather, but it also repairs and nourishes dry, cracked and flaking skin. Apply a thin layer onto your face after cleansing and you'll have a healthy, moisturised skin despite the cold. That sounds nice. Cold weather, my skin always likes to let me know about it. I do sort of struggle a bit with the dry skin in the winter months on my nose, sort of around my nose. My hands in particular are terrible. So anything that's moisturising and can protect from the cold weather, I'm definitely willing to give that a go. So yeah, so that's really nice. Next, we've got a Rituals product. There we go. So I'm going to try not to screw that name up, but it's the Ritual of Ayurveda, the ancient art of living wisely. Oh, it's a soothing hand balm. That's lucky. Indian rose and sweet almond oil. So I'm just going to give that a sniff. Actually, I'm just going to put some on. It's not like I don't need it. So, oh my gosh, that smells so nice. Oh. It's quite a thick formula. It seems to be taking a while to sort of sink into my skin. So I'll probably end up using that more as a nighttime moisturiser rather than a daytime one. Things will slip and slide all over the place if I try to do anything with that on during the day. But yeah, really happy with that. That smells so nice. Oh. What was it? Indian rose and sweet almond oil. Oh, yeah. Definitely happy with that. So let's just see what the card says. So this is worth £9.90. When the cold weather hits, there's nothing more essential than a moisturising hand cream. Luckily for you, this luxurious hand balm is specifically formulated to treat dry and cracked skin. It blends sweet almond oil with Indian rose to soften and nourish your hands. Simply massage a pea-sized amount into your skin and cuticles every day to keep them hydrated all winter long. As I said, really happy with that. Could not have come at a better time. The hand cream that I'm using at night is running low, so that's just perfect timing for me. Definitely happy with that. Next we've got a Hask product. Ooh. And it is, and I'm laughing because I've literally just bought some, not this brand, but it's Argan Oil Repairing Shine Hair Oil. So I've just bought some Argan Oil hair oil. Mine's in a spray. I can't remember what brand it is and I'm not sure what I've done with it right now. But we went away for the weekend for mine and my son's birthday and totally forgot to take any hair products with me. My hair felt really dry and was just not happy, so I just picked this hair oil up just to try and help it out a little bit. So I've now got a little tube from Hask. Now I do like Hask. I'm currently using a shampoo and conditioner from them. I've had a deep conditioning hair treatment. I think that was in a Glossybox. Might have been Look Fantastic, I'm not sure, but I really enjoyed it and it made me go and buy the shampoo and conditioner from the brand. So I'm actually really happy to have that, willing to give it a go. As I said, I have just bought some, but this might work better for all I know. So let's just see what the little card says about it. So this is worth £2.49. This is full size and you could have received one of 3 different variations. So it says, give your tresses the extra nourishing boost they need this winter. Lightweight and alcohol free, this hair oil absorbs instantly and provides a beautiful shine with no oily residue. You'll either receive a nourishing coconut oil that hydrates and softens, a smoothing keratin oil that smooths and reduces frizz, or a repairing argan oil that restores dry and damaged hair. Apply onto damp hair from mid-length to end. So yeah, as I said, happy to give this a go. Reading that, I probably, if I could have chosen, I probably would have picked the keratin oil. I do get a bit frizzy on top. I've got sort of coarse wiry bits that like to go crazy, and I find that frizz controlling things sort of control it, as you would expect. What am I talking about? But yeah, I'm still happy to give that a go. Next we've got a little skin cleanser. I thought for a second that was from a brand that my mum really likes. My mum really likes CeraVe, and that is a really similar container, but it's not. It is Cetaphil, and it just says gentle skin cleanser. So it says it's a sample, but like I said, it's not exactly a tiny sample. It's quite a large sample. It's 29 ml in fact. And the card says, did you know that the winter chill weakens your skin barrier, causing sensitivity, dryness and irritation? Well, this gentle cleanser removes makeup, dirt and impurities without stripping your skin of its natural oils or upsetting its pH levels. Massage a pea-sized amount onto your face, then rinse with warm water or simply wipe off with a cotton pad for silky soft skin. So it's a deluxe mini and it's worth £1.10. A full size 236ml version, £8.99. I actually don't have a need for this. I quite like the cleansers that I'm using at the moment, and besides that I've got quite a few that I'm sort of waiting in a drawer to be tried. So I might actually just give that to my mum. It sounds like it might be quite similar to the CeraVe stuff that she uses, so I think she'll be happy to give that a try. And the last thing that we've got looks rather large, and it's from Candy Cosmetics, and it's a pre-glow up mist. Get your skin glow ready. So let's just open it up and have a look. Oh wow. Look at that. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that on camera. Can you see the way that's moving? That's really cool. They do say tiny things please tiny minds. I'll leave that there. Wow, that looks interesting. I thought I knew what that was going to look like until I saw that. So it's a glow up primer and setting spray. I don't think I'd be using this as a primer. I'm not entirely sure. I'm going to use it as a setting spray, if I'm honest. Might be a bit too much for me. The RRP on this is £20, and again it's full size, and it says, forget dull winter skin. This 2-in-1 shimmery primer and setting spray will keep you glowing all season long. Spritz it onto your cleansed face before applying your foundation for a natural lit from within glow, or use it to set your makeup for an iridescent finish. You can also spray it over your whole body to look like a shimmery goddess. Just shake it well before use. Yeah, I can definitely see that. Quite like the idea of the body shimmer, for if you're going for a night out and you just want a bit of a sparkle or a shimmer going on, but it depends on what it looks like. We might just... I'm nervous. Oh, let's just give it a go. We won't do it on my watch. We'll just... Oh, it's quite splotchy as well. That's not gonna... Oh no, it gets a bit finer once you've sprayed it a couple of times. But let's see if I can see anything. It just looks wet. See if rubbing it in helps. See, whoops, I'm trying to throw everything on the floor again. Just see if rubbing it in helps. I can't tell if it smells of anything. I've got that hand cream on, but I don't think you can see anything. No, it doesn't seem to be that sparkly, to be honest. I'm trying to see if I can... Oh, okay. I can see some little tiny specks of glitter on my hands, but it's definitely more like shimmer than glitter, so maybe I will get away with that after all. So that's interesting. I'm definitely interested to try that. I'll have to give it a go and let you know what I think. But first impressions, I was nervous. I'm slightly less nervous now, but I'll give it a go, see what I think. And that is everything. So just to give you a quick recap, we've got the little extra treat tea bags. We've got the Mud Masky winter mask. We've got the Rituals hand cream, which smells amazing. We've got the Hask hair oil. We've got the Cetaphil gentle cleanser. And we've got the Candy Cosmetics face spray. Basically everything but the cleanser was a full size product, so that's really, really nice. And for me, I've paid £8.50 plus the £3.95 postage and packaging, obviously. But I personally think that you can't really complain at that. I mean, you know, the hand cream, yeah, I mean the hand cream alone is worth more than the £8.50 for the box. So for me this month, this box is totally worth it. I'm excited to try everything in this box. Obviously I'm thinking I might give this to my mum, but that's just because I think she'll appreciate it more than I will. And this, I'll be totally honest, I'm just mesmerised by the way it moves in the bottle. So yeah, one way or another I'm going to enjoy that product. Anyway, that is everything for the box this month. Let me know what you guys think about this box in the comments section down below. And that's it from me then, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all again in another video very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.